I brought bread.
I'm Libor and I brought some eggs.
I am Marine and I brought fried chicken.
I'm Jalson and I brought yogurt.
I am Milano and I brought orange.
I am Sabasa and I brought katsudon.
I am Lazada and I brought fresh milk.
I am Florca and I brought rice.
Number 1. How does the healthy meal you're eating today compare to a typical junk food? And how do you think it affects your energy levels and mood overall?
So, pag junk foods po, hindi siya healthy sa body natin. Then, pag healthy food, it gives us more energy and protein.
Question number 2. What's one healthy food you either dislike as a younger kid or have never tried? And what made you decide to include it in your challenge meal today?
So, ang pinakaayaw ko na gulay is okra dahil madulas siya sa lalamunan.
In the night, a starry sky, my baby told me with a sigh, saying words.
When you go grocery shopping, do you pay attention to the nutrient labels? What specific information like sugar, content, sodium, or ingredients do you look for, and why is that?
Nutrition label, I most pay attention is the sugar. I look for it because kapag po sobra sa sugar is it can cause diabetes. And bakit important na tingnan yung sugar levels? So, kasi para hindi po tayo maging hyper and para hindi din po tayo masobrahan.
That came across as a doubt. I reassured that every day my love is strong and gently placed.
Why do you think drinking plenty of water is often called the most essential nutrient, and how much do you aim each day? Drinking water is essential for our body because it gives more blood and ano rin siya for nutrients. I drink 8 times a day na water. Para hindi ma-unhydrated kasi ma-unhydrated yung labi natin at magmumukha tayong pukla.
My heart is shown up clearly. Every mountain, every sea, you never stray. You're burning me, no matter the speed of space and time. Keep us close and keep us dear. Not just today, but every year. You were made to keep focus in my mind. But if you
Morning, everyone. We are Brooklyn, and today we are going to
In this night, a starry sky, my baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt.
Ang Pinoy or Food Pyramid Guidelines. Which food group do you think most people your age need to eat more often? And what's a simple change you could make to include more of it in your own diet? Most people in my age, which is teenagers or young adults, often need to consume more items from the vegetables and fruits food group to meet recommended daily intake. A simple change to include more of this in one's diet could be swapping a sugary snack for a piece of fruit like an apple or banana, including a side salad with lunch or dinner every day, keeping a pre-cut vegetables like carrots or cucumbers as an easy accessible snack.